to my channel. Today I got a friend over and today we're going to do fidget trading. So, yeah, let's begin. What are you going to trade?
I'm going to trade...
Just go.
This is very not nice.
Okay. No, don't open it. Okay.
I'm just going to open it.
Why is there like stickies inside?
You like stickies?
Yeah, I'll trade for this. Come on, it's a much more. Come on, that's weird stickies.
Fine.
Yes, good trade, guys. I scammed you. It has a hole in.
How rude!
Ah.
Okay, I'm going to... Wait, now you have to trade.
Oh yeah,
Go on.
what will you trade me? Okay, I'm not trading this because this is like so cool. Okay, so what will you trade me for this?
Let's see.
Add one more thing. Add one more.
You know.
Except
I love this. Okay.
I feel like this. I feel like it. Look at his mouth. That's how I feel right now. Okay, like seriously. What will you trade me